How to be happy? That is a question everyone wants to find the answer to, but it can be very hard to find happiness for many daily reasons, like didn't get a good grade when you studied very hard, didn't happy with your job, or when you are in a toxic relationship. All the little things that happen in your life can affect either you will be happy or not. So what is happiness? How do we define it? And most importantly, how can we achieve it? It is very hard to define exactly what happiness is, because to make it simple, it's just a feeling that happens inside your body triggered by your brain, right? But human feeling is very complicated and everyone feels happy differently. If you ask someone, what makes you feel happy? Some people may say, I will be happy if I get a cool car, or a nice house, but is that really happiness? Let's be real, when you get the thing you always want, like a car, a new phone, or the house of your dream, you will be on cloud nine. But is that feeling last forever, or just a couple of days or month, and you will start losing that feeling of joy until it no longer there? So I think the first step to finding happiness is to enjoy the process, not the finished goal. You can feel really happy and satisfied when that sweet moment happens, but eventually it will go away. But if you think about how far you have gone, or how better you have become, you can be proud of yourself every day knowing how hard you have done to be able to achieve your goal. Sometimes life can be hard, can be painful, so it can be very hard to be happy, but it's not impossible. You can find it in little things in your life, like spending time with your loved ones, pursuing your passion, or just simply doing what you like to do. I'm sure you notice that when you're doing something you love, time always seems to fly by really fast. You're so engrossed in what you're doing that you forget about everything else. That's because doing what you love can bring you a sense of joy and fulfillment that's hard to find elsewhere. So, when life gets tough, take a step back, relax, and think about what makes you feel happy. What are the things that bring you the most joy? Remember, happiness is not a luxury, it's a necessity. When we are happy, we are in the best possible place to be good to ourselves and those we love. So make time for the things that make you feel happy, and watch as your life becomes more joyful. It's also important to take care of our mental health. Practicing meditation and gratitude can help us have a positive mindset and find happiness in our daily lives. Gratitude can also be a great way to find motivation in your life. Like you can be happy to have a healthy body, when you know a lot of people don't get that luck, so you can find your motivation to start to take care of your body by exercising more and start eating healthier, or when you realize people can die when they sleep, so you can feel happy that you be able to wake up every day. Showing gratitude is a great way to find happiness in little things that happen in your life. It can help you have a healthy mindset, and it can be a great way when you need to find your motivation to continue living a better life. So what is happiness? It's hard to define exactly, but it's a feeling that we all deserve to experience, and it's within our reach. By doing little things every day, like taking care of ourselves, helping others, and doing what we love, we can find happiness in our daily lives. Remember, happiness is a journey, not a destination. It takes time and effort, but in the end, it's all worth it. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoy, feel free to subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.